If you are looking for how to add PDF to PowerPoint presentation, then don't skip the video. First you need to click on the insert, and on the right side you will see that there is object. Click on that, and on the left side you will see that create from file. Click on that and click on browse and select the PDF from the desktop or wherever you put in. Click OK. And here you need to click on the display as icon. And here if you want to change the icon of the PDF, click on that and select the PDF. And for example, I'm selecting this option and click open. And here in the preview you can see that the icon has been changed. Click OK. And here there is icon changed. Click OK. And now you can place the PDF to anywhere on the slide and increase or decrease the size of the PDF. So another way is that click on insert and again go to the object and click on the create from file, click browse and select the file from the desktop, click OK. Select the file, click OK. And now I am not check mark the display as icon and simply click OK. And now you can see that the PDF is inserted and you can increase or decrease the size of the PDF. So with these two methods you can easily insert PDF to the PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you can add PDF to PowerPoint. If you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.